Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are required to find the next two terms and to explain in words how do we get the number. So going to the first question for part A, let's write it slightly bigger so that it's easier. 2 to 6 to 10 to 14. I observe that I always plus 4. I always add 4. Meaning that the next two number will be 18 and 22. Yep. And in this case, the explanation is simply adding 4 to the previous term. Part B. If I have 7, 1, negative 5, negative 11, I could see that I'm always subtracting 6. So I will then be able to get my next two terms as negative 17 and negative 23. And how do I do that? I subtract 6 to the previous term. Okay, let's move on to part C, where I would have 1, 4, 16, and 64. Notice something. 1 times 4 equals to 4. 4 times 4 equals to 16. 16 times 4 equals to 64, meaning the next two terms I just need to multiply by 4. This will give me 256. And I multiplied by 4. This will give me 1024. Okay, so all I have to do is that we just need to multiply 4 to the previous term. Last example, part D, where I will have 4 followed by negative 2, 1, negative half. Notice that I have to do, either you can see that I'm actually dividing by negative 2 or I'm multiplying by negative half. Both mean the same. Multiplied by negative half, that will give me 1. Multiplied by negative half, that will give me negative half. So if I multiply by negative half, this will give me 1/4. And I continue to multiply by negative half. This will give me negative 1/8. So for this, the explanation is I multiplied by negative half to the previous term. We have come to the end of this example. So at any point in time in this video, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like, simply subscribe to this channel for more of such mathematics videos.